Shalom, sebelum nonton video dari Inahor konten, jangan lupa kasih like, komen, dan subscribe-nya, karena itu gratis, supaya channel ini bisa selalu memberikan informasi seputar kegiatan, kejadian, dan apapun yang terjadi dalam hal ini, ruang lingkup gereja pastinya. Oke, kalau begitu, salam sehat dan salam damai semua. God bless you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jonatan. I'm from here, and today I'm gonna tell you about my Christmas coffee. My Christmas coffee, I go to the church with mommy and daddy and taste this and by myself. I see lots of people there, like 200 people and 100 people. There's lots of people. I play with them, and even I pray to God. Even actually I play together, changing present, and even eat together, like chop food, fast food. There's many kinds of I like food. Even secondly, I go to Bandung. Even secondly, I go to church. I can't go to church in Bandung because there's a virus. Friends, family, no can't go to friends. There's a virus, so I have to stay at home. Like a little bit fun at stay at home. The stay at home was my favorite day because I can ride bike. So I play together because there's a virus, so I have to stay at home. I'm not going everywhere. I have to stay at home. We even all my friends, even my family, they happy because Christmas. And even we have to shut the virus so we can go to everywhere. Thanks. I wish you happy and healthy. God bless you. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.